for the who are looking to build their career as a content writing. So if what are the essential skills if they are student or might be the fresher or they are professional to become a professional content writer?
So the most important thing that anyone who wants to be a content writer should do is reading. Doesn't matter that you only read something that is related to your field or your company, but you can read any of the fiction, non-fiction, spiritual books, anything. The major reason that you should be doing the reading is that you come to know about the new words, you come to know about the new sentence structure. Also, sometimes you come to know about the audience. Like, suppose you are reading a book and you are liking it. What is the major reason that you are liking it? It is some way or another, it is connecting you to that book, right?
Okay.
So, by reading such books, you can even come to know that how you can connect to your audience.
Yeah. And also I thought it can be connect with the other countries or other targeted user languages.
Yes, exactly.
So that we can more idea about that what exactly the languages they are using.
Yeah.
So okay, that is fine. So you mean to say that I not except the read about the your industry domain, but you can also read the other domains book, so you
Yeah.
get more idea about what exactly people are looking for. Okay. Now, can you please tell me like what is the content writer journey's change over the years, and now what are the trends? Now, if anyone want to become a content writer, they have to aware about.
Nowadays the content writer is not just limited to writing, but they have expanded their skills to a variety of platforms, variety of other skills as well. For example, that as of now, with content, the content writers are also looking for the video contents. They are also doing some of the podcasters. They are also working as some of the social media campaigns also. Plus, with all of this, they have also evolved their roles for the content strategy, marketing. They're also extending their steps towards the marketing, digital marketing.
Okay.
So I can say that the role is not just limited to writing for the writers as of now.
Yeah, nowadays I have also seen that so many writers are writing a script for the videos also
Yeah,
will be
YouTube
there.
content.
Yeah, and the social media is also the one of the part that they are highlighting as a caption, but they need some catchy lines that is also need a content writer. So yeah, the journey is changed. Now, before that, as I also seen that there is a blog is one of the major part that they have to publish the blog and write the content of the landing page and that's it.
Yes.
But nowadays there is lots of platform for them also to describe themselves. As a
Exactly.
content. Okay.